Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will show you how to know if someone deleted your number on iPhone. Now this is actually fairly simple to recognize. So what you will have to do here, as you can see, there is no way for sure to know if someone deleted your number on their phone, but there are a few signs. So whether you're on iPhone or Android, the first thing you need to do is to call that number. If your call goes straight to the voicemail, they likely deleted your number. If you get an answer and they don't know who you are, you're definitely not on their contact list, right? So here it is, how to know if someone deleted your number on iPhone. The problem with someone deleting your number is that there are no alerts or notifications sent to you when it happens. You will need to piece together everything that has happened to conclude that they have indeed removed you from their contacts, right? And here are some signs you need to look out for if you want to know, right? Not receiving calls or texts, your call goes straight to the voicemail, you're getting no replies, you're ignoring, or people are ignoring you on other platforms, right? So these are a couple of ways. Again, this is not technical, this is just, human psychology, but as you can see, that's pretty much how to tell if someone deleted your number on iPhone. That's the only way how you can tell, really. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you want more tutorials on iPhone, iOS, and yeah, more tutorials in general, we're posting 5 videos a day. So subscribe to our channel for more, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.